Today, we'll learn how to use dynamic zoom to add movement to a stable shot. Let's get started. Here, we have a clip of a couple that looks completely still with no camera movement. To make it more engaging, we'll add a subtle dynamic zoom effect. First, select the clip on the timeline and go to the inspector panel. Scroll down and enable dynamic zoom by enabling it. Now, click on this button here at the bottom of the preview window and choose the dynamic zoom option. As soon as you enable it, you'll notice two boxes appear in the preview window. The green box represents the starting frame. The red box represents the ending frame. By default, dynamic zoom applies a slow zoom in effect, but you can adjust it to zoom out or even create a pan effect by repositioning the green and red boxes. If I start playing the video, you can clearly see that this is how the dynamic zoom effect is applied to our footage. If you want the zoom direction to be reversed, then simply click on the swap button in the inspector. This is how it would look. For more customization, go to the dynamic zoom options and change the zoom style between linear, ease in, ease out, or ease in and out to achieve different motion effects. Once you're happy with the movement, play it back to see the final result. And that's it. You've successfully added dynamic zoom to bring life to a stable shot. If you found this tutorial helpful, subscribe for more DaVinci Resolve tips.